The U.S. Capitol building, a reminder of the violence in this historic case, looms large in full view from the federal courthouse steps. News satellite trucks have staked out their spots, and police are on alert ahead of Donald Trump's appearance on Thursday. The former president's legal team offering a preview of their defense.
Everything that President Trump did was with the advice of lawyers and counsel.
Trump is accused of conspiring to overturn the results of the 2020 election, an elaborate and complex scheme that allegedly involved knowingly and repeatedly spreading lies about voter fraud while pressuring leaders in key swing states to change the outcome in his favor, acting with several unnamed co-conspirators, one now identified as former New York City Mayor Rudy Giuliani.
The company counting our vote, with control over our vote, is owned by two Venezuelans who were allies of Chavez.
Giuliani was also allegedly involved in the Mike Pence pressure campaign, urging the vice president to use his ceremonial powers to try to stop vote certification.
Sadly, the president was surrounded by a group of crackpot lawyers that kept telling him what his itching ears wanted to hear.
Trump's legal team is now pushing to have this trial put off until after the 2024 election.
You know, a case of this magnitude, I don't see it possibly going to trial before the election.
A delay would be to Trump's advantage. If he's reelected, he could order this and any other case against him dropped. His team is also considering a change of venue, fearing he won't get an impartial jury in this Democratic stronghold. Even his challengers seem to agree.
A D.C. jury would indict a ham sandwich and convict a ham sandwich if it was a Republican ham sandwich.
And Katie, Trump appeared in court back in June on one of his two other indictments, but this time could be different.
It's not likely going to be a redo of what we saw in Miami when Donald Trump made his first court appearance in the classified documents case. There, thousands of people showed up to offer support. But remember, Florida's kind of like home field advantage for Donald Trump. He is not popular here in D.C. Many people in this neighborhood are still quite scarred by what happened on January 6th. Though Trump does draw a crowd, so I am certain whatever happens in the lead up to tomorrow, it's going to be interesting.
Katie Simpson in Washington tonight.